some of those things, those are just like some highlighting points. One of the things I'll say is take time in your own kitchen. That's a big part of it, is understanding, building your creativity and your interest in your own diet instead of letting other people make stuff for you while you're on the run. Sometimes it's a schedule-based thing, but you all need to try to work on that. Now, another reason why this is important is because food has become the way to neutralize populations. When I say neutralize, I mean to biochemically affect them, to sedate them into certain types of behaviors.
Say that again, Pops.
Food is being used biochemically against the people to sedate them into certain types of behaviors to make them more compliant with the frequency that's here that's telling them to obey even though it's to their own detriment. Right? And so, you know, some of us have read some of the books when some of the scientists were taken from different parts of the planet like Germany. They were brought here and they were incubated into experimental bodies that looked at how fluoride affects the brain, how estrogen affects the brain, and now we can give you soy lecithin and everything, and we can turn the brain into a compliant, animal-driven, you know, operation. And so now we're being affected by these things. So we definitely don't need to be eating anything with soy in it, because soy has the aromatase gene, which scientists literally use to change gender in animals and now in people. So you can lose your vitality, men and women, all right, energetically by taking these things in. We are in a war. But the beautiful thing about it is that we are designed to win. And so no matter what they throw at us, we come right back, right? Next thing that's important for you. Learn how to do a liver cleanse. A lot of times people change their diets and they don't work on regenerating the liver. And the liver is the most important organ for detox and body regeneration on the planet. And what is the liver doing? The liver is taking the food paste from the small intestines and helping it further convert itself into blood. Blood is made in the intestines and the liver. And so by eating healthy foods, you are repopulating the only thing that can convert itself into a red blood cell. Anybody know what that is? What's the only thing on the planet that can convert itself into a human red blood cell?
It's crickets, boy.
Yeah. Blood cells just don't come from anywhere. They come from something that you do in your environment. How does the body make blood cells and why it's important? I'll tell you why it's important, then you might figure out how it's made. Red blood cells are what every cell in your body used to be.
Hydrogen.
Every cell in your body used to be a red blood cell. And so now, the conversion of a skin cell, hair, eyeball, lip, bone, muscle, happens by giving the cell a nucleus and giving it hormonal and electrical instructions to convert itself. All that happens in the liver. Yeah, we have some recommendations. And depends on, if you use the online sources, then, let me go to my book, because I got websites in here. I don't want to give you the wrong website. Actually, let me go ahead. Now, we have seeds. We sell seeds. When we come in this growing season, we'll make some of those available. I have about a complex of about 300 different types of wild seed varieties.
Oh, you sell 300 seeds?
Yeah, 350 different types.
How do I get that?
I won't probably start selling until late February. If you have a greenhouse, then I can give it to you earlier, but I usually only sell it